Alright, so I'm looking at some options on the gutter outlet, this guy here. There is various ways of installing it onto the gutter. I've currently got it basically attached to it. This is now my piece, but according to the manufacturer, they recommend rather to drill a hole for a hole saw and then attach it with onto the actual gutter. So I'm gonna go and give that a try. So this is not recommended if you go by what Marley on the website states. So let me do that hole saw quickly and see how that goes. Alright, so took that part off, and obviously this distance depends on where your gutter pipe is, the down pipe is going to be go. So what you do is obviously you use a pencil, mark the hole, and then you use an 80mm hole saw to cut that particular hole there. Alright, so the hole is cut. I've cut it with a hole saw. It's about a 79mm, that's what I had. So then this will clip on into this. I'm just gonna so I've inserted over the hole that I've done, and if you turn it around you can see it fits perfectly like that. And that's the recommendation from the manufacturers. Obviously you're going to put a stop in there, and that's ready for installation.